Hi everyone, Courtney Roulston here to share a really quick, simple and delicious summer salad with you using these Perino tomatoes. Now Perino tomatoes are exclusive to Coles and they are my favorite summer tomatoes. They're great for snacking, they're great in salads, and they're also great with cooking. There's also a win-win with using Perino tomatoes in your next recipe. From the 20th of January up till the 16th of February, 5 cents from every punnet of 200 gram Perino tomatoes is going to be donated to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. This is my golden Perino tomato and pomegranate salad. It's so easy to make. We're going to do things a little bit back to front with this. I'm going to start by making the dressing. So my little dressing bowl here, I've got something nice and flat so our onion can sit in there and pickle. I'm going to start with some apple cider vinegar. Give us a nice acidity to the dressing. Pop that in. Pinch of sea salt. I've got some ground sumac here. So this is a berry. It's got a similar flavor to lemon and it goes really lovely with tomatoes. To balance up the acidity of our apple cider vinegar, I'm going in with some maple syrup, some good Australian extra virgin olive oil. Just to complete those Mediterranean flavors that we're going for, I'm putting in a few drops of garlic oil, a few grinds of black pepper, and just give that a really quick mix. The next ingredient for our dressing is a beautiful red onion. I'm just going to really finely dice this up and pop it in with the dressing, and we can set that aside, and it's going to take that astringent raw flavor from the onion away and give us a beautiful kind of pickled flavor to go through the salad. Give the onion a good mix through. Now onto our tomatoes. So I'm using 3 punnets, and you can cut these however you like, in half. I like to cut little wheels of tomatoes. So I've got a sharp little serrated knife here. Probably the hardest part of this recipe is getting the seeds out of a pomegranate. Now there's many ways to do this. I thought I would show you my way of doing it. So grab yourself a knife and just run it around, but don't cut all the way through. Open it up. If you cut all the way through, you're going to cut through lots of the cells of the pomegranate. Get yourself a bowl with some water, and then you can just open up the little, it's almost petals. And then almost like picking kernels of corn off, you can just kind of fleck them into the bowl of water, and any bits that you don't want to eat will float up to the top. Pomegranate is all seeded. I'm going to put about 3/4 of them now in with the tomatoes, and we're going to leave some as a garnish. I've now got some fresh herbs to go in with our salad. I'm using fresh parsley. Just scatter our herbs in. And some dill. Pop that in with our tomatoes and pomegranate. All we need to do now is to grab our dressing, and I'm going to pop that in with the herbs, the tomatoes, and those gorgeous pomegranate seeds. Make sure you get all of that pickled onion dressing. Scatter over a few more pomegranate jewels, and there we have it. It's got color, it's got texture, it's got so much flavor, sweet and sour, and all of those herbs. There we have it, using the gorgeous golden Perinos. That is my tomato and pomegranate salad.